Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I've got white, Paynes Grey and gold. I'm going to be doing an 18 by 36 inch canvas here, so very long, and I wanted to do something quite simple and hopefully elegant is what I'm going for, with like a sort of marbly effect, I guess you could say, swoosh of the Paynes Grey and gold through the white. I grabbed a couple of extra colours. These are both greys. This is a neutral grey and a warm grey, just because I thought it might be a little bit too bold with just the Paynes Grey and the gold. And we're just going to get started. I have also grabbed out though, before I go any further, my white swipe mix and a palette knife, just in case there's any edges I want to touch up, maybe add some lacing in, but I'm not going for lacing unless it occurs naturally. All right, let's get started. I'm going to put a big puddle of my white down. I hope I've got enough white. Maybe I'll just spread that out. Going to make up my cup. Let's put that there. Let's start with the white, gold, a little bit of the warm grey, maybe some of the neutral grey, Paynes Grey, white, gold, the white is sinking a lot. The black should sink too. All right, I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to add, I think I should have got some more white. I'm going to do a cup of just the lighter colours as well. I might start with this one. I'm going to give it a stir. All right. Just going to do a bit of a pour. This is the kind of feel I'm going for. I'll take out those bubbles. I don't want those in there. Interesting. I feel like I want to make up more white. I'm just terrified that I don't have enough. Alright, I've just mixed up a bit of extra white because I suspect that I may need it. Hopefully that's enough. Do I want to add more into this cup? Maybe a bit. And I might give this a stir as well because I like the way that's kind of turned out. So that's actually the general spot that I wanted to go. So I may end up bringing this lighter colour through. I've got a bit here. I might make up a little bit more of the lighter, a bit more of the creaminess in it. I'll put that there, and I'm going to try this one first. This one's got me nervous. All right, here we go. Not exactly the way I want it. So I'm going to take a bit of black through. And some gold through. Actually, I'm going to mix up a bit of a gold cup. I think. Maybe add a bit of black to this one. Alright, this hasn't quite gone the way I was hoping. That's okay. Do I want to do any swiping? I think I will try a little bit. I like that. I'm not a fan of this bit here. I'm just going to use a small palette knife. Whoa, that is cool. Okay, maybe I'll do that through here as well, here, because that does actually look really good. Let's try another one. I don't want it to take over. That hint, that is cool. Gonna have to add more white up here. No. Alright, I'm going to have to fix that. That is not good. I think I need some lacing towards the bottom. Maybe through there. I don't know if this bit's going to stay on, so let's just put a bit on the edge. And turn it around again. Ooh, that's tricky. Let's try something. Oh, that's a bit dark. There's the gold. Just emptying these cups. But I'm going to swipe through that completely. All right. I'm going to pop these bubbles. Actually, I'm going to take a strip of gold down this side. That's going to tip off, so there's not much of that gold going to stay. I hope I keep this gold bit. I'm going to take a bit of this black through from here as well. Alright. I hope there's enough paint. Lost some of that gold. Tricky. Ooh, this is tricky. I do quite like the way that top part ended up, even though it wasn't my initial plan. But now, I've got to work this bit. If I keep tilting, I may lose this, but I think I'm going to keep tilting. Stretch that out. Something's not right. I had to get more paint off, but this bit in the middle is just a little bit, and it's going to be the hardest bit to change. It's a unique piece, that's for sure. I really like this through here. Let me think. because if I tilt this way I'm going to lose this bit, which actually is quite interesting. I really like that. I'd like a bit more of this. I tilt it from the other side. Better. I really like this bit and this bit. Alright, I'll bring them in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. The lacing really expanded here, which gives a nice pattern. I love this blend here and this one through here. So this is probably something I should have experimented on something small first. I think it's a little bit too dark here, but we'll see how that dries. I do like the strong contrast of the really dark, but the blend is, I'm not sure. And I like the really dark bits through here. Yeah. Composition, it's not perfect, I don't think. It's not too bad though. I've pulled up some of the leftovers and I've got this really pale grey colour and I've got other colours left. So this is going to actually take a few days to dry because we're in the middle, well, we've just come out of winter, but it still hasn't quite warmed up yet. So yeah, and I've got nothing to cover it, so I'm worried things are going to fall into it. I don't think my net's big enough for this one, but yeah, I'm going to keep those colors and I might try it again, but without that much dark in it. Maybe I'll add the Paynes Grey later with a stick. Yeah. Okay, here is the dry result. And I've put it this way to start with. I'm going to show you the 3 different directions, but let's just have a bit of a close-up. It's dried quite flat, so could do with a gloss varnish, I would say. I quite like the lacing through here. It's very bold. And we've got like some nice stripes up through here, and this corner even down the bottom. Yeah, but I will show you 3 different directions. So this is the first one. This is the second one with the lacing at the top. I think that one looks quite good that way. The third way would be like that. Yeah. So a bit different. I'm definitely going to have another go at this. I've got a couple of other projects on the go, so it'll be a few videos down the track, but I will do another one. But I do really like these bubbles. See that through there? Looks pretty cool. Yeah. Do you reckon I should give this a gloss varnish or maybe something else? It's quite big to be doing resin, so yeah, probably not a good idea. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments below, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.